This message has listed the following instructions in your programming. This is not a test. The United States has been issuing an invasion warning, expected in Great Lakes area in your location in 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and 6:30 p.m. Central Time. The U.S. government posted the aliens will come to the cities to report Pittsburgh, Detroit, Cleveland, Milwaukee, and Chicago. The Republican president speaking out against the national emergency, and don't peek at the strangest moment when the UFO's attacks on Earth's surface have occurred and crashed into the United States north coast. Get more room to bring your swimming pool, outdoor chairs, flags, and outdoor toys inside, and close your garage doors and hide your stuff in your homes for an alien chaos.
Well, shut up, you EAS. It's cancelled. Forget about it. Go free now.